tendency is people to think that, oh, if we're not a rich country, we can't afford the arts, we can't afford music, and therefore let's keep it for a later time when we develop more.
This country is immersed with so much musical talent. The only thing that they are lacking is support.
A lot of kids, a lot of youth here are not given the opportunities to really develop their talents.
It's just waiting to come out, it's waiting to be trained, and it's waiting to spring out into the world, no? Ang Mission is basically a joint project between ABS-CBN and FPH. And basically what we're trying to do is strengthen the career path for orchestral musicians in the country. It has two components. We've got the ABS-CBN Philharmonic. The training component of it is really the OFY, the Orchestra of the Filipino Youth.
OFY really tries to help alleviate poverty through music education.
What we're doing is we're putting together the youth from underprivileged communities, giving them free music education, such as one-on-one lessons, music theory, music history, the fundamentals of music.
Sobrang thankful po ako sa OFY kasi po dahil po sa kanila, mas na-enhance ko po yung pagtugtog ko.
Napakalaking tulong po para sa anak ko, para sa amin. Dahil unang-una po, libre, sila pa ang bibigyan ng allowance.
Natutunan ko din po maging disiplinado at maging focus po at naging concentrate po.
Yung manner of teaching is so warm. Alagang-alaga sila doon. Pamilya talaga.
I also learned a lot there, and then you could play classical music while having fun.
Ang dami-dami nilang natututunan, iba-iba yung mga teachers na nagwo-workshop sa kanila.
Tinuro po sa akin ng OFY yung kailangan din po ng harmony para maganda yung tunog ng music tsaka yung relasyon din po namin.
Music is very important, no? It's got the ability to unite, to inspire, to get things done when words are not enough.
Napakalaking sakripisyo para sa amin dahil yung pagpunta pa lang po sa Benpres, napaka-delikado na since naka-single na motor lang nga kami. Yung mga kasabayan namin, malalaking truck. Hindi namin masusuportahan pa na ipasok pa siya sa ibang music school.
Every Friday, right after school, I go straight to the airport to fly to Manila. Even though there's like a lot of bad weather and sometimes the airfare is too expensive, I really insist on going there because I don't want to miss the practices and lessons of the OFY.
Doon niya kinuha lahat ng basic sa YouTube para makita namin kung paano. Kasi hindi po basta-basta magpapaaral ng violin. Ipasok namin sa School of Music siya. No? Actually, it's really expensive.
Kung gaano po kahirap na itawid po siya magmula sa Malabon sa amin. Pinapasan ko pa po siya. Tapos po pasalin-salin ng jeep, ng sasakyan. Kahit ang mahirap po, basang-basa po kami, basang-basa ang anak ko. Hindi na po namin alintana ang pagkakasakit. Kasi masaya po ang anak ko.
If we find ways to support it via this program and via training like this, then I think, we'll be doing the country such a big service.
An important thing that me and my friends learned in OFY is that when we're learning and spreading music, we're actually also spreading love.
Sa pamamagitan ng kanilang pagtugtog, no, ay maging inspirasyon ng mga kabataan din tulad nila na pwede pala din ang iba, hindi lang limitado sa ilan.
Gagawin namin lahat para suportahan si Angela at pati na rin ang OFY dahil papasalamat kami dahil sa malaking tulong na naibigay nila para sa mga anak namin.
Sulit na sulit po ang sacrifice ko, ang paghihirap ko po. Hindi kahit sino mang magulang, hindi mababayaran ang kasiyahan ng isang anak.
Right now, we are limited only to a number of students, but there are so many other people who can be given these opportunities.
Although ABS and FPH are providing the core funding for this project, this is something that we cannot do alone. Even both our companies, we can't do this alone.
It's truly a mission for the country to become known for something as beautiful as classical music.
That's something that also we would like to do for the Philippines. And I know that the Filipinos because of that musical heart that, that they have, music is going to be able to change their lives and really, become a social force that's so great that it'll be unstoppable.